The Amex Platinum's annual fee is high, but so is the potential value. Managing it is about actively using the credits to make the card pay for itself. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start by auditing the built-in credits. The card has over $1,500 in potential annual credits, $200 airline fee, $200 Uber cash, $189 clear, $100 Saks, $300 Equinox, etc. The key is, will you naturally use these services? Make a checklist. If you already use Uber Eats, shop at Saks occasionally, and fly a few times a year, you can easily offset $500 to $700 of the $695 fee. My crucial pro tip: don't invent spending to use credits. If you'd never use Clear or Equinox, don't sign up just for the credit. That's inventing a new expense, not saving money. The card is only worth it if the credits cover services you already buy. Otherwise, a lower fee card might be better. Perform an annual value check to ensure the card is a financial asset, not a liability. Do you calculate the effective annual fee for your premium cards? What's your Platinum's net cost? For more guides on maximizing card value, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.